How to create demo account on MetaTrader 5. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can create or open demo account on MetaTrader 5. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. A demo account allows you to practice trading in a simulated environment with virtual funds, and here's how you can sign up for a demo account in MetaTrader 5. For that, first of all, you need to download and install MetaTrader 5. You can install it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you have installed the application successfully, now launch the MetaTrader 5. After you open the application, on your interface, there is a prompt saying open a demo account. Then tap on open an account. Now fill in the registration details. Enter the required information such as your first name, your second name, your date of birth, the phone number, and your email address. Under account information, you have to provide some further details such as your account type. Tap on account type, and from this drop-down menu, you have to choose your preferred account type. And then set your desired leverage. Tap on it. Now you can set your desired leverage. Under that, specify the amount of virtual funds for the account that is deposit. Tap on it, and then now you can choose your preferred amount. Under that, tap on accept, and once you're done with that, simply tap on register. After that, you will receive your demo account credential, that is your login, your password, and your server name. Save this information securely. Once you're done, now tap on done. After that, you can log in into your demo account with your login credential that you have or that you saw or that you got recently. Now once you're logged into your demo account, and you can now start exploring MetaTrader 5 features, and that's how you can create demo account on MetaTrader 5. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.